So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money on Google Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is to uh, actually get a sort of a glimpse into Google Wallet itself, because you won't be able to store peer-to-peer money transfers. Instead, you can receive money through the companion Google Pay app or services uh, that can link a bank account with your Google Help identifier, or you can wait for automatic deposits. So if you go to Google Pay, which usually it's either within your app store, or if you don't have it, because most iOS devices won't be able to use it like that, you can open it on your browser, go to your profile, and select or link your preferred bank account through payment methods. So you can find your payment methods here. You can add a payment method so you can make faster, easier payments with Google Pay, as it's called here, and select and link your bank account that you prefer through payment methods. And then you can share your registered UPI ID, your phone number, or personal QR code with that sender. From that point, you can receive money, but Google Wallet won't really store that money. Its only use is to store that specific card that has the money on it. So you can use it to spend it, but you won't be able to store the money itself, if that makes sense. But you can just use the card to make payments with it. So that's the main purpose of Google Wallet. But you can receive money on that card and then use a Google Pay or some other bank app to get that money. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.